Hi children, today we are going to study about balanced forces and unbalanced forces. In the first chapter, I have studied the definition of motion. What is motion? Yes, when the position of an object changes with the time, that body is said to be in motion. Here are some examples for bodies in motion. A boy riding a bicycle, a man riding a horse, a rolling ball, moving train, and a spinning earth. All are examples for bodies in motion. Then, what is the characteristics that sets a body into motion? Yes, it is the force. Only if you apply a force, you can set a body from rest to motion. Then, what is force? In the lower class, you have studied that force is push or pull. Force is a vector quantity. It is having both magnitude and direction. Here one man is pulling the box in the forward direction. That is, he is applying a force in the forward direction. And the second man is pushing the box again in forward direction. That is, he is applying a force in the forward direction. What will happen then? The box will start to move. Here are some more examples for applying forces. Pushing the table, pulling door, compressing a ball, and elongating a spring. Therefore, the force not only sets a body into motion, but it changes the shape of the body, it changes the size of the body also. Now let us see what are balanced forces and unbalanced forces. Here John is pushing the table towards right. He is applying a force F, that is F Newton. You know the unit of force, it is Newton. Therefore, he is applying some amount F Newton force to the box. At the same time, Daisy also pushing the box in the opposite direction with the same amount of force F Newton. What will happen here? Will the box move? No, the box will not move. Why the box does not move? Yes, it's because both are applying equal forces in opposite directions. Such forces are known as balanced forces. Balanced forces are forces having equal magnitude but opposite direction. Here, if you add the two forces, you will get zero force. When we add balanced forces, we will get zero force. Balanced forces will not cause the motion of a body. It will not change the state of the body from rest to motion or motion to rest. Next, let us see this case. Here only John is pushing the table. He is applying a force F Newton towards right. Will the box move? Yes, the box starts to move because there is no force to cancel out the force applied by the John. Such forces are known as unbalanced forces. If someone pushed the table towards left direction with a smaller force, in that case also the box move in the right direction, that is in the direction that John pushes the table. That is, if two forces are having no equal magnitude, if they are having different magnitudes, the body starts to move in the direction of greater force. Such forces are known as unbalanced force. Unbalanced forces are the forces having different magnitudes. In the case of unbalanced forces, the body moves in the direction of greater force. Next, let us see what is frictional force. You know, when you kick a ball, it will start to roll, but after some time, it will get stopped automatically. Who stops the ball? The ball is rolling because of the force applied by you. Then, to stop the ball, someone should apply a force in the opposite direction. Then who is applying that force in opposite direction? Yes, it is the surface. Surface is exerting a force on a moving body in the opposite direction of motion. This force is known as frictional force. Frictional force is an opposite force exerted by the surface on which the object moves.